Lloyd by 𝘎𝙀𝙎 or Rebecca G. Then. And don't forget all the trouble we got into.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
That's not me.
Well, I was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
It was delayed.
We can take the proper precautions to protect our first responders. I don't know those addresses myself.
Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! No! That's crazy.
Try to pet him.
No, that little got the big ass dick on him.
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Wendy's, is that you?
Hi, welcome to Wendy's.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James. Give me your fucking money! Shut up.
You've got mail.
Shampoo, shampoo, let's shampoo our hair.
It's okay, we're good friends, right?
Do I look like... Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
7, 8, and 1, 2. Patricia! You stop dropping that, okay, sweetie?
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason?
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Sa iyong palagay.
Mer än hälften av alla förskolebarn
Duke, do you want the ball?
Woody.
You drunk all the fucking milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk back. Give me my milk back.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavakadu. Free shavak.
I love this song. I love this song.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
Layas ka na naman? Ha? Sige, lumayas ka. Layas! Talagang lalayas ako, oh! Tuluyan mo sirain ang buhay mo! Sige, layas! Magpakabuhan ka sa bisyo mo! Magpakasawa ka sa mga gagawin ko talaga! Mapapasok na ako penging baon. Kung 20. Lo, ano ba ito 20 lang? Ano? Magreklamo ka pa? Yung ibang bata nga dyan, magkano lang ang baon? Pumapasok pa rin sa school. Kami nung kabataan namin, kahit wala kami mga baon, papasok talaga kami. Ganda ng kamban natin. Picturean mo ko dito. Baka maingit na naman si Bidang, mga kapitbahay. Maingit na naman dali. Tapos i-post mo, ha? O, isama mo yung aircon. Yan, sa may aircon ako banda para makita yung aircon, para mayaman, pang mayaman. Sama mo yung aircon para makita ni Bidang. Inggitin ko talaga yan. Tomisa! Nasaan ka na ba? Tomisa! Naririnig mo ba ako? Neng! Gising! Mag-ayos ka yung boyfriend mo nasa labas! Bilis mo! Asan? Nasa labas, bilis! Mag-ayos ka na! Putang ina mo, wala akong boyfriend! Niya na itimaduwin din na kampo ng mga balyena. Sunduin niya na po ang mga kampo ng matatabil na dila ng mga chismosa at inggitera. Naway isama niyo na po sila sa mga nilalang nakasapi nila. Ang mga taong
Don't ever fix your lips to say that, bro. I'm sitting right here and my daughter in the backseat.
My sisters always ask me, are you really a virgin? And I say, that's none of your business.
Coco Martin!
And just remember, no one will ever be able to hate you more than you already hate yourself.
Yubi, Shaggy, oh my god, Daphne, Frederick, oh my god, Mystery Inc. Oh, where is everybody? Oh my god, I'm just thinking, is the man in the mask or is it actually aliens? Oh my god, my glasses!